kids, welcome to Learning with BB Family. Today we are going to learn G to M. Looks. This is G. G for gate. G for gate. Gate. Look at the gate. It opens and closes. Let's spell it together. G A T E. Gate. Next is H. H. H for hand. H is for hand. We use our hand to write, eat and play. Hand. H for hand. Look at the hand. Let's spell it together. H A N D. Hand. H for hand. Next is I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I for ice cream. Yummy and cool. Everyone love it. Ice cream. Let's spell it together. I C E. Ice. C R E A M. Ice cream. I for ice cream. Next is J. J. J is for jug. Jug. J for jug. A jug is used to pour water or juice. J. J is for jug. Let's spell it together. J U G. Jug. J for jug. Next is K. K. K for kite. K for kite. Look, the kite is flying high in the sky. K for kite. Let's spell it together. K I T E, kite. K is for kite. Next is L. L. L for light. L for light. Look, light help us see in the dark. L for light. Let's spell it together. L I G H T, light. L for light. Next is M. M. M is for mango. M for mango. Look, it's juicy, sweet, and the king of the fruit. M for mango. Mango. Let's spell it together. M A N G O, mango. M for mango. Wow! You learned all the letters from G to L. Great job, little learners. If you want more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe to Gablo Kids. Bye bye.